Alright, today we're doing a review on a Bushmaster XM15 E2S. I just purchased this today. It was too good of a deal to pass up. I picked this up used for $550 after tax. Of course, this is an older style Bushmaster. It has the fixed handrail, which is not removable. Standard A-frame front sight, peep sights on the rear, and they are adjustable. This one also came with a laser sight. I need to get some batteries for it, though it's not working properly at the moment. It does have some rails, some Picatinny rails, both this one and on both sides of the A-frame. It does have the forward swivel sling attachment. It also has one on the receiver. Has the forward assist. Forward assist and the dust cover. The trigger pull on this is really, really nice. Let me go ahead and drop the magazine here. That is loaded. Now we have an unloaded weapon. Safety is on. Alright, so let's go ahead and charge this, and we'll show you the trigger pull on it. Safety is off. Very short, crisp, light pull. I like that. For the price point on this at $550, I think it's a screaming deal. I was saving up for the Smith & Wesson M&P 15 Sport 2, but when I saw this, I could not pass it up. This was too good of a deal. Of course, the stock is adjustable. It is chambered in 5.56, can shoot 223 as well. It's a 1-in-9 twist with a chromoline barrel. You know, everything I was looking for in the Smith & Wesson M&P Sport 2, and then some. You know, the added features of the rails and the laser sight. I think that's kind of what sold me on it. We'll try and get some range time in this weekend and see how she shoots. Let's get that back on safety. Drop our mag back in. Just covers up. And thanks for watching, and please give us a like and subscribe.